Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to add drop-downs in Google Sheets. So for this example, I already have my data here. Column A is the countries, and then I want to add drop-downs for the continents. And to create a drop-down, you do need to have the definitions already available. So on another sheet here, I have my definitions and the continents, and I have all 7 continents that I want in my drop-down. So if I go back to the countries sheet that I was on and I go to where I want to put the dropdown, go ahead and select the first cell that you want to have the dropdown in. So in this example, I want the dropdown to start in B2. So I'm going to select B2. I'm going to go to Data, and I'm going to scroll down until I get to Data Validation. I'm going to go ahead and select Data Validation, and this menu pops up. I don't want to change anything here. Cell range is good. Criteria is good, but I do need to enter a range for my data to come from. So to do that, I'm going to go and select the select data range here. Another window is going to pop up. You could put the formula in here if you want, but an easier method to do that is to go and just select the range of data that you want. So that's what we're going to do. So now I'm going to go back to my definitions sheet, and I'm going to highlight all 7 continents. And now it's going to show the data range for the dropdown is going to be found in definitions sheet A2 to A8. I'm going to go ahead and select OK, and then I'm going to select Save. Now when I go back to the country sheet, there is a drop-down option, and if I go and select this drop-down, you can see all 7 continents are now available. And if I want to have this drop-down available for the remainder of my data, all I need to do is select this blue box on the bottom right of the cell and drag it down as far as I want it to go, and then release. And now I'll have the drop-down menu available in all these cells for me to use. And that's how you create a drop-down in Google Sheets. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.